Hello YouTube, this is Dynamic FA. Today is the second tutorial of ABB Lobo Flexi Pendant. Last time we have a look at the we had a look at the jogging window. Today, if you press menu, then you can see input and output window. Now, if I click it, then you can see this menu. The most important menu is view. You press view, then you can see various kinds of input and output time. I have set up a few signals already. Let's check it out first. Digital input. Digital input is I had set up already here. DI00 cycle on. That's the name, and value is 0, and type is digital input, and device name is DeviceNet internal device. This is digital input, and view digital output. Then you can see the digital output. Digital output is waiting for command. This is the name, and value is 0. Same as the type is digital output. DN DeviceNet internal device. This has been set up by default as a default by Flex Pendant in Lobo Studio. And I set up also group inputs, Lobo speed, and group output, Lobo speed. I set up like this. And this is the how you find the, if you know the signals, then you can click and then you get into there, then you can find signal you have already set. There's another way you can easily set up. If you close that window and then you press menu and inputs, outputs, then you can see most common. Most common is the window for the keeping signals which you use very often. This is very handy screen, because when you press the input and output window first time, always get into most common window. So now we're going to set up the signals in most common. You press main menu, and then you go to the control panel. Then you can see configure most common I/O signals, but you can't set up unless you're in manual mode. So you click the panel and select manual mode, and now you press that again, then you can see all the I/Os. Then you just tick apply. That's all. You go back, close all the window, input and outputs, always get into the most common. Then you can see all the signals you ticked in the setup. This is about input and outputs window. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.